Congress President and Leader of the Opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, held a meeting with Rajya Sabha Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan today. Amid the meeting, there is a continuing standoff between the government and the opposition over the NEET UG paper leak issue and the demand for Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. The opposition has insisted that it will not allow Parliament to function unless its demands are met. Apart from this, we have some more breaking news coming in at this hour. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju met the Rajya Sabha Chairman and the Lok Sabha Speaker today. The government may announce a decision at 12 p.m. An announcement regarding preparations for a debate on the NEET issue and other related matters is likely shortly. Let me go across to my colleague Anand Singh for more on this. Anand, so we have the opposition leader also meeting C.P. Radhakrishnan, and we also have the Parliamentary Affairs Minister meeting the Speaker, and they are all discussing what all announcements could be made at 12 p.m. Very important meeting over here.
Yes, Shivani, look, the way in which the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, yesterday had met Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, also with MOS Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is MOS for Parliamentary Affairs and Prime Minister's Office. Thus, looking at the way in which the standoff has continued between the government and the opposition party, with multiple adjournments in the past 2 days in the Parliament witnessed. So, the government is now looking to pave a way to hold dialogue with the opposition parties, as Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju had met with Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla so that formula can be chalked out that how the government can make the opposition parties agree whether it wants a discussion on NEET paper leak, and that discussion is taking place between Kiren Rijiju and Lok Sabha Speaker. We have also seen Mallikarjun Kharge, the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, as well as Congress President. He held talks with the Rajya Sabha chairperson C.P. Radhakrishnan over the stalemate that has been in the Rajya Sabha for the past 2 days, and the way in which even the Rajya Sabha was adjourned today after it convened for the day. So looking at the way in which the opposition parties are putting forth their demand to have a detailed discussion on the NEET paper leak issue, as the police excesses were carried out on Monday on protesting students at Jantar Mantar to Parliament, the opposition is not going to leave this issue, as they are adamant that they first need removal of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and then only any talks can continue. So the government is now looking at any amicable way that they can find a solution to end this stalemate in the Parliament before their decision of taking resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. So all the options are open with the government as well as with the opposition parties, as they are holding talks as of now, and by 12 noon, Lok Sabha Speaker can announce that how it goes forward in the Lok Sabha, whether it is going to allow a lot time for a detailed discussion on the NEET paper row, or announcing the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, as the demand has been put forth that before his resignation no talks will happen. So everything will depend what Lok Sabha Speaker is going to announce and what Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju is going to announce by 12 noon. Back to you, Shivani.
All right, thank you so much, Anand, for all those details from the Parliament. Let's shift our focus now to some other news coming in from the national capital. Well, Union Minister